I enter 2026 aligned, protected and at peace. Joy flows naturally into my days and fills my heart with light. Love surrounds me in my home, my relationships and my spirit. My family, my children and my spouse are divinely protected, guided and covered in grace. Abundance moves toward me easily and consistently. Money, opportunities and material blessings respond to my clarity and purpose. My body is strong, healthy and restored. Every cell responds to healing and balance. I am safe wherever I go. My steps are ordered, my decisions are wise. No harm comes near my dwelling. 2026 opens gently for me, with peace in my mind, love in my heart, strength in my body and abundance in my hands. I receive this year fully, and so